So this is the video I've been dreading to make for a long time, and not because I'm scared to be in front of the camera, but when I get in front of the camera, my mind goes blank and I literally don't know what to say. I'm not the only person who has this problem, I'm sure. If you have this problem, let me know, and let me know what you've done to overcome this. Not a phobia, but a problem. I've always been one to, like, whenever I'm called on, I get, my mind goes blank. It's just like everything leaves me, like right now, I have literally no idea what's going on in my head right now. And before I started recording this, I knew everything I was going to say, everything I was going to, bullet points, everything. So, does anybody else have this problem? And I've been wanting to like not start my mouth. I've had this YouTube channel for several years, and you can look back, and I've made videos where I'm in front of the camera, but they're spaced out very far because it takes me forever just to build up I don't know if it's courage or scripting or what, but to start doing the videos. And then I thought, well, maybe the problem isn't me, maybe it's my gear. So I bought new gear, upgrade, all that, nothing would happen. New microphones, new cameras. I'm recording on a $2,200 camera right now and filming in 6K Red RAW. Gear is not my problem. It's here's my problem. And I'm trying to overcome that. And I figured the only way to do it is just press the record button and just start recording, and let's just see where this goes. But anyhow, I can record videos all day long and and post them, but like I like to do not livestock. This is where I'm at. My mind went blank. Nature, wildlife. Wildlife is what I was trying to come up with. I love, photographing and videoing wildlife videos. And I've done a lot of that. And, I've posted a few. And if you look back, there's a few wildlife videos, a few videos where this camera here I'm using now, I've played with it like at nighttime and daytime and whatever. But anyhow, or on this camera, and I'm on a $2,200 camera with a $175 lens. So kind of a crazy combination. But my next video, I'll actually talk about this. I'm kind of a gearhead. I've got more gear than what I should have, but I've been primarily a photographer. I'm trying to get into videography more and more. So anyhow, just wanted to throw a status update out there and see if anybody else has the same problem that I'm having, where, sorry about that wiggle there, I'm changing hands. Does anybody else have the same problem that I have? Your mind just goes blank whenever you get in front of a camera. The last time I spoke, I'm not even afraid to speak publicly. It's just my mind goes blank. And the last time I spoke in front of a crowd was about 6 months ago. Right now we're March of 2026. March of 2026. Let me think. September of 2025, my dad passed away. And I spoke at his funeral. And I wasn't scared to be up there, but kind of the same thing. I got up in front for everybody, and my mind went blank. Now, I anticipated this, and I got on my phone, I listed out some bullet points, to kind of help get me back on track, and that helped. and I'm not using that right now, so that's making it even worse. I don't know, from one point to the next to talk about, but I use the bullet points, and that kind of helped me stay on track. But that was the last time I spoke publicly in front of people, and there's probably 150 people that were there, at my dad's service. So now, growing up, when I was in high school, at church, I've actually preached sermons before, and it didn't bother me at all. I jumped up there and I did the sermons. I would lead prayers, no big deal. So somewhere along the way, something happened, and I don't know if it's just got out of practice where I don't, just didn't do it enough, or what. But anyhow, that's where I'm at right now. I'm going to revitalize this channel. This video here is scary because this is going out of my comfort zone, but I'm not going to get out of that comfort zone if I don't do what I feel like I need to do. So if you've had these same problems, let me know. Let me know what you've done to get through this problem, this whatever it is. I'm watching rabbits run through my yard, so I'm getting distracted. But anyhow, if you've had this problem, let me know, and let me know what you've done to kind of help get through this. Maybe what I'm doing now is what I need to do to get through this. Just hit the record button and start talking. So anyhow, I'm a gearhead. I'm probably going to do more gear stuff. I don't like the typical gear videos that most people post, because I like them, I like to watch them, but I don't, it's not my style of video I want to make, because I don't care about zooming in and doing detailed comparisons and pixel peeping and all that. That's my thing. If it looks good, it looks good. We're on YouTube. We're not putting a video at the Cinemark Theater in front of thousands of people. We're on YouTube. So, and people are watching this on their phone most likely. So I don't care about, zooming in and pixel peeping, and all that, but I just want it to look good and all that. I mean, a cotton picking cell phone will do the job. So, but I've got the gear, I'm going to play with it. And so I'm kind of, I'll probably make some videos. I'm going to make another video about the combination I'm using right now between the camera, the lens, the microphone I'm using right now. I got a $2,200 camera shooting in Red Raw. I mean, that's going to give it away right there for the people that know. I got $175 lens that just come in today, and Amazon delivered it today. And then I don't remember how much the microphone costs. It's a shotgun microphone on top of my camera. So anyhow, my next video, I'll kind of talk about that gear and some gear I've been using and stuff. So anyhow, if you've had the same problem I'm having, let me know, and we'll get through this together, and we'll grow this channel. And if you're struggling with the same thing I'm struggling with, then let me know, and I will follow you, and we'll get through this together. So take it easy. Talk to you later, and peace out, dude.